Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Nashi, back again with another video, and as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, look. Alright, so, like I always say, I was going down the Twitters, I was going down the little wormholes of the soul collectors and the sneaker newses, and I found some dope sneaker releases that are coming out. So as you guys already know, I gotta keep you guys updated. I gotta let you guys know what's new. I gotta let you guys know what's hot. So we're about to be getting straight into that. But before we get into this video, please go ahead and smash that like button, because once you're smashing that like button, that means that everybody's able to see my face and see my videos. And also, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram at ChrisTakanashi. That way, once you do that, you get a quick little follow back and you get to stay in tune with all things Nashi. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Now for the first thing in sneaker news, Puma celebrates Def Jam's 35th anniversary with the special Clyde Court. Now this is going to be releasing this weekend at Complex Con Chicago. Now this is one of these weird looking Puma shoes. I've never actually seen this sneaker before, but I will say that when it comes to the actual form of the sneaker, it is super unique in a way, you know what I mean? I really like that translucent gum bottom. That's something that I've never seen before. And the actual colorway is super dope also. That all over burgundy is just fire in my opinion. I feel like burgundy is one of my favorite colors. If not, it's in like my top 5 without question. When it comes to this actual shoe, the Puma Clyde Court, this is like an updated mock version of the Puma Clyde. So I'm guessing that this is going to be like some type of basketball shoe, because the Puma Clyde was a basketball shoe. But let's just keep it real, in 2019, bro, there's so much better technology coming out with basketball shoes that you don't even want to deal with the Clydes, bro. Got no ankle support, barely any traction. It's just, there's so many better options out there. So I'm thinking that this is their updated basketball iteration of the shoe. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, performance wise, even though it looks like a pretty cool shoe, I do have a little bit of questions, because if you guys look all the way up to the top, it's kind of like this little sock liner. This like Adidas inspired sock liner, you feel what I mean? Usually, bro, when it comes to basketball shoes, they won't have that because you need a whole lot of ankle support. So I'm thinking basketball wise, maybe this won't be the best basketball shoe, but you never know. Maybe I could get my hands on this shoe and do a nice little performance review. You feel what I'm saying? Now for the next thing in sneaker news, we have a detailed look at the Travis Scott X Air Jordan 1 Low. Now, as I'm filming this video, the sneaker dropped this morning. No, I did not go after the shoe, but I will say that a lot of people took some fat L's when it comes to this shoe. You know what I'm gonna do, bro? I'm gonna start going after all these shoes, and I'm gonna start documenting my wins and my losses. I'm gonna make that a nice little vlog, like going after the Travis Scott 1, going after the MCA Air Force 1 Off-White vlog. I'm gonna start doing that. Y'all think I should do that? Let me know in the comment section down below. But when it comes to these sneakers, bro, they dropped this morning and a lot of people took fat L's. I will say though, I did see a subscriber pick up this shoe. He actually got lucky. He actually got through. So yo, big shout out to you, bro. Like, you mad lucky for that. If I was you, I'd either take that shoe, and if there's like a couple Yeezys you want, I'll take that shoe and I'll grab like 4 pair of 350 boosts off a trade, or I'll take that shoe and I'll just go ahead and resell it. Get you a quick little 1500 that you could just throw in your bank and just chill. Just let it sit. You feel what I'm saying? Just leave it alone. Let it sit. You feel me? But when it comes to this actual shoe, this is a low cut version of the original Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott. I think that the original Air Jordan 1 Travis Scotts are just fire. I think that those are beautiful. But I feel like I'll never have this shoe, because when it came to the release, the fakes are so spot on that it's almost like you never know what sneaker you're getting. You never know when it comes to GOAT or StockX if they could accidentally be getting a fake shoe, because it's so spot on, they can't even tell. You feel what I'm saying? But when it comes to these, it's pretty much the same shoe, just in a low cut version. And also when it comes to the color is in a black, the other color is in a white, and then the other swoosh is in a black. Now this swoosh is in a white. It's almost like they took the inner colors and like reversed them in a way. I do think that this shoe is fire. You know, I love the backwards swoosh too. Definitely something different to put for a Travis Scott shoe. Let's go ahead and keep it real. Now for the next thing in sneaker news, the Parra X Nike SB Dunk Low drops next week. Now look, it also drops with matching apparel. I'm not exactly sure what the matching apparel looks like. I'm gonna keep it real, but I'm gonna keep it real. This Nike SB is super dope in my opinion. Now, you remember when Nike SBs used to be like popping? They used to be extremely popping. Like, they're not really as popping as they used to be, and it's crazy because Nike SBs used to have the best schemes of any sneaker there ever was. Let's go ahead and keep it real. The Nike SB schemes, like the Freddy Krugers, the Skunks, the Tiffany's, even though I didn't really like the Tiffany's, I think that their schemes are crazy. The way that they go about putting sneakers together structure-wise, colorway-wise, is just fire. The Beavis and Buttheads, it's just crazy. Now when it comes to these, bro, I do think that this colorway is fire, bro. I think that it's really nice. The all white with the hits of blue, with the hits of red, and also that little hit of pink too. Just ties it in all together. It reminds me of like a cotton candy parlor, in my opinion. I think that that's cool. Also, the triple swooshes I think are real cool, in my opinion. Also, I feel like you can't go wrong with those. And also, if you look on the inside of the shoe, you see all three of those colors just kind of pattern along there, just to give that extra little bit of color. And I think that that's super cool too. So when it comes to the Parra X Nike SB, I think that these are super dope. And if you guys are looking for a nice Nike SB to cop, I feel like this will be the sneaker for you. Now, I don't know if this shoe's gonna sell out. I really don't think it is. I think this shoe's gonna sit, because I think the way the sneaker climate has changed, bro, there's so much better sneakers out there that a lot of people are going after. Definitely way more hype shoes. So I don't even think that these are gonna sell out. I feel like if you're on your P's and Q's, it should be an easy cop. Now when it comes to the next sneaker, another colorful Sacai X Nike LD Waffle is on the way. Now, I am low-key sleeping on this sneaker. Let's go and keep it real. I'm sleeping on the sneaker because I didn't necessarily know what the sneaker was, you feel me? I feel like I've seen this sneaker before, but I just don't remember it. Honestly, if I'm going to keep it real, bro, this looks like one of those vintage 1970s OG Nike Waffle shoes. If you guys don't know, when it comes to Nike, when they first started making their shoes, they were making them out of the trunk of their car, I believe in Germany. And they started making the Nikes with actual waffle iron prints, like the actual bottoms of waffle irons. They actually started making them with that. Bro, what is that sound? Bro, whatever bug that is outside my house, you need to stop before I exterminate your shit. But when it comes to the sneaker, I will say that, bro, this is fire. I'm not gonna lie. This whole colorway, this whole color scheme, that forest green with that hit a nice little like violet pink and like the yellows and the oranges going along with it, just ties it together perfectly. The Sacai X Nike LD, I think I'm saying that right, Sacai. Whatever that is, bro, that Aki berry color, that shit is fire, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. I need those. The white laces that go along with the white midsole actually ties the sneaker in all the way together. And that little black waffle bottom is just cool. You never can go wrong with a black waffle bottom. I'm not exactly sure when these sneakers are coming out, because when I looked at the article, it said that there is a release date coming soon. But I will say that this is a sneaker that I am going after. Let's go ahead and keep it real. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have a pretty good announcement coming. Maybe I should drop it. Maybe I won't. I'll probably drop it coming soon. But just know I'll be able to get a lot more sneakers. Let's go ahead and keep it real with you. I will be able to get a lot more sneakers for y'all. And now for the next and the last sneaker. Now, I will be making a full video on this pretty soon. The Air Jordan 1 85 New Beginnings will reportedly feature the original high cut. Now, if you guys don't know what that is, the OG Air Jordan 1s, the very first Jordans that Michael Jordan ever came out with, that sneaker officially came out in 1985. And when the sneaker came out, that little Chicago colorway that everybody knows and loves, that sneaker came out in like a super high cut colorway. Hold on 1 minute. So as you guys can see, I got a real beat up pair of Royals right here, right? But when it comes to these sneakers, this isn't the original cut of the original Air Jordan 1s. The original cut was much higher. So if the cut now is like right here, the cut for like the 85 New Beginnings that are coming out, the OG pairs, were like up here. It was way higher, so it literally covered your whole ankle. Not a piece of your ankle, it literally covered everything. It was like super high top shoes. So when it comes to the 85 New Beginnings, those will have that high cut, and I'm not gonna lie, bro, that just makes it a must cop. Mainly it's because the little subtle changes and the little subtleties that kind of make the shoe seem more original than it was before just makes you want to buy it even more. Like I feel like there's an Air Jordan Bread colorway that's coming out that looks beat and looks vintage to kind of give you that old 1985 feel, you know what I mean, or 1991 feel, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just like stuff like that. I like the retro stuff like that. I like to open up a shoebox and see a vintage sneaker that came out a long time ago and make me feel like I'm back in that time. Make me feel like I'm back in 85. And I think that that's gonna be dope. That Chicago colorway is just iconic. You can't go wrong with it. That red, that white, that black just fits perfectly on feet. And Air Jordan 1s in general is just kind of, Air Jordan 1s might be the greatest sneaker of all time because it just goes with anything. You could wear it with a suit. If you really wanted to pull it off, you could pull off some Royals or some Breads with a suit. Let's go ahead and keep it real, bro. Like, you could wear them with shorts. You could wear them without shorts. You could wear them with nothing on. You could wear them with some jeans. You could wear them with pants, soccer pants. You can literally pull off the sneaker doing anything. It's one of the most versatile shoes of all time. Let's go ahead and keep it real. And I feel like if you are starting a sneaker collection or you have a sneaker collection, you need a pair of Air Jordan 1s, straight up. I've had multiple pair of Air Jordan 1s. Right now, I only have the Royals, but I am literally definitely going after every big pair of Air Jordan 1s that there ever was, because I need those in my collection. But when it comes to this video, this is the end. I hope that you guys have enjoyed. Now we've seen 85 new beginning Air Jordan 1s. We've seen Parra Nike SBs. We've seen Nike Waffles. We've seen so many different sneakers. What was the best sneaker that I showed today? Go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Like I said earlier in the video, please go ahead and smash that like button and follow me on Instagram at ChrisTakanashi. I definitely appreciate it. Now without further ado, I will be back with more videos and more bangers. So all I gotta say is, hey, her blessings, her blessings, her blessings, and Chris out.